The next thing we're going to learn is how to articulate or use our tongue on the instruments. So how this works is we don't just blow air into the instrument to start a sound. Every single sound is going to start with the syllable to. So everybody say to. And when you say it the next time, I want you to think about where your tongue is touching. To. It's behind your top two front teeth, about where your teeth and your gums meet. To. Now, if you put your tongue further back, you can use the word do or lu, but what we're looking for is to. Be careful that you're not using your tongue in between your teeth like thu. We want to. And this is a great way to start every single note while we're playing the instruments because it gives it a definite and a precise beginning. So if you're a flute player, every time you start a note, you're going to play. Notice I said the word to, but I didn't use my voice box. All I did was place my tongue in the place where it would normally be if I said the word to. If you're a clarinet or a saxophone, it's a little bit different because your tongue actually has to touch the reed. The top of the tip of the tongue touches the top of the tip of the reed. So if you have a reed right here, this is your tongue. It's not on the tip. It's just a little bit further down. And we say, using the tongue on the reed is a takeaway process. We're taking the tongue away from the reed. Now, the same thing applies if you're an oboe or bassoon player as well. Once again, when you have your reeds, you're not touching the tip. It's just a little bit further down underneath the reed by about 1/4 of an inch. After you watch this video and you understand how to articulate on your instruments, the expectation will be that you always use your tongue to start every single note unless otherwise told. We'll practice together with the Concert F sequence for beginners later.